That gleaming stainless steel cylinder sitting on your kitchen counter often feels like a silent sentry guarding your health. When you look at the Aurora versus the Berkey, you are looking at two very different philosophies regarding what that guard should actually do. The Aurora is the scrappy newcomer. It offers that high-end gravity filter aesthetic without the high-end price tag. It is designed for the person who wants to stop buying plastic bottles and wants their tap water to stop smelling like a public pool. It uses basic carbon filters that are widely available and very affordable. These are perfect for city dwellers. If your municipal water is already considered safe but just tastes a bit off, the Aurora handles that chlorine and the common sediment with ease. However, there's a catch to that low price point. The filters are often generic. You might find that the performance varies from one batch to the next. It does not go particularly deep into the world of complex chemical filtration. It is a surface-level solution for a surface-level problem. Then you have the Berkey. This is the heavyweight champion of the gravity filter world. It has a cult following for a reason. The secret lies in those thick black purification elements. They are not just carbon blocks. They are engineered to a much higher standard. We are talking about the removal of pathogenic bacteria, heavy metals, and even some viruses. This is the system you want if you are living in a rural area with well water, or if you are preparing for a situation where the local water grid might fail. It provides a level of security that the Aurora cannot touch. But that security is expensive. You are going to pay a premium upfront. You are going to pay a premium every time you need to replace those elements. There is also the controversy surrounding the certifications. The company has faced a lot of heat for not having the same third-party stamps of approval that some smaller brands carry. This creates a dilemma for the cautious buyer. Do you go with the brand that has thousands of glowing testimonials, or do you stick to the one with the most paperwork? In the end, the choice depends on your specific environment. If you just want a better tasting cup of coffee in the morning and your water is already treated, the Aurora is a fantastic way to save money. It is simple, it is effective for basic needs, and it looks great. But if you have any doubts about the safety of your source, the Berkey is the clear winner. It is built for the long haul and for the tough jobs. One is a lifestyle choice for convenience. The other is a piece of hardware meant for serious protection. You have to decide if you are filtering for flavor or filtering for survival. Both of these systems will sit on your counter and look identical to your guests. But when you take that first sip, the difference is in what you cannot see and, more importantly, what you are not drinking. The flow rate is another thing to think about. A Berkey often takes its time to drip through those dense elements. It is a slow, methodical process that ensures every drop is scrubbed. The Aurora might be faster because the filters are less dense. This means you get your water sooner, but it also means the water has less contact time with the filtration media. It is a classic trade-off between speed and thoroughness. You are essentially choosing between a sprint and a marathon. For the average apartment, the sprint is usually enough. For the homestead or the suspicious tap, you want the marathon runner every single time.